Hello and welcome to Spring Framework MasterClass. My name is Vinod and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm a professional software trainer and I have trained hundreds of thousands of software engineers in the IT industry for past 24 years. This is a pure no-nonsense course that covers from basics to advanced topics in Spring Framework. The course is almost 9 hours long and includes 15 complementary video lessons on Hibernate ORM. I have divided this course into 7 major sections. In the first section, you will be introduced with the basics of Spring. By the end of this section, you should be very comfortable with the topics such as dependency injection, manual and automatic wiring, using an RDBMS with Spring, configuring database connection pool, reading properties files, and using annotations like @component and @component scan. Please note that you can watch all the lessons in this section even before enrolling to this course. Only if you are satisfied with the quality of the content, I would request you to enroll to this course. In the next section, we will be learning how Spring simplifies working with JDBC APIs using JDBC template. Here, we will also be creating our contract DAO interface, which will be used in the rest of the course, and implement the same using JDBC template. In the next section, we will be working with Hibernate template, and once we understand how it works, we will implement our DAO layer using Hibernate template. If you are not familiar with Hibernate ORM, you may jump to the Appendix A and watch 15 lessons on Hibernate ORM that helps you get started with Hibernate ORM quickly, and then come back to continue with this section. One of the most powerful features of Spring is aspect-oriented programming, and Spring uses AOP everywhere. In the next section, I will simplify the concept of AOP with very basic example and then address a couple of more practical use cases. Spring AOP is the foundation for Spring's transaction management, and in the next section, we will understand how Spring handles transactions in our applications. We will ensure that our DAO layer is now properly transactional. One of the primary applications of Spring Framework is in the field of web. Spring provides a very beautiful architecture for creating MVC web applications. In the next section, we will understand how to create a simple Java web application, what is an MVC web application, and then see how Spring MVC web application works. This section is around 3 hours long, covering all aspects of any MVC web application, making use of the DAO layer we built in the previous sections, building an entire fully functional web application. In the application that we build, we will provide a common look and feel for all pages, get a list of products from the DB, search products by price range, view details of a selected product, edit product details, add a new product, validate the inputs, and handle errors and exceptions. And finally, we also have an hour-long section to make you understand what is RESTful service and how to create one in Spring Framework. This course will be updated with more video lectures, assignments, and quiz questions based on the constant feedback from students like yourself. Because of my vast experience in teaching this technology to software professionals, many of the times I would have already answered your questions even before you come across one. However, if you find anything not understandable or got a question on a topic that I'm explaining, please feel free to post it on this platform itself, and I'll be back with an answer or a solution within 24 hours. Usually I will respond immediately, but the delay would only be due to time zone difference. So I hope you will join this learning journey with me and enjoy the course as much as I enjoyed creating the same.